Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shawsar Classes. Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the first language English for class 10th Karnataka State Board. My dear students, today as you can see here I am discussing about the first language English important questions as per the revised reduced syllabus for this academic year board exam 2020-2021, and this is the part 1 video. So I just like to tell you that these are the very important questions. You can expect from these questions as much as possible marks. Do not miss any of the questions which are given here on the screen. I just want you have to copy down these all questions and try to find the solutions from your class notes, and you can start practicing for these questions. And also along with your respective schools, your teachers, what they are giving the information, supplement to that you can study even these questions. Okay, you should not miss any of the questions because all the questions are very important. Maybe your school teachers, the one who is going to give you the questions, even those questions as well, even these questions, you are not going to miss any of the things, but please ensure it these questions are very important for your upcoming board exam. Got it? Good. As you can see here, the first main answer the following questions in 5 to 6 sentences each. Here we have given a set of questions, as you can see. So these answers you are supposed to write in 5 to 6 sentences, right? As you can see here, I have given the 7 questions, and then second main quote from memory. It's nothing but poem. Okay, in the poem you can see either you can study this paragraph or you can study this paragraph. Any of this paragraph you can study, whichever you feel as easy to you. You can focus on that area. Got it? And children, still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shawsar Classes, do subscribe it and ask your other friends also to subscribe to our YouTube channel Shawsar Classes. And after completing watching this video, ask your all friends to subscribe to our channel. And if you liked our class in the video, do not forget to click the like button and share this video as much as possible with your all friends and your classmates. Got it? As you can see here, the third main explain with reference to context. We have given a set of 5 questions. You can start answering to these questions. And also I like to tell you one thing. Still, if you have any doubts or something, in the below given comment box, you can comment to us what is your doubt, and also what video you want to make me next. You can let us know, so that definitely we are there to help you all. Is this clear? Wish you all the best of luck. Do well. Keep watching our videos. And also in the below description we have given the links of very important questions. Okay, do see once the below description. Thank you. If you want the PDF of this video, I'll be sharing in my post, YouTube post, and even in my Telegram channel the link of this video PDF.